Hi guys! Today we're unboxing Ryzen 7 5800X3D with AMD 3D V-Cache technology. It has a total of 96 megabytes of L3 cache. It has slightly lower clock than the original 5800X though. 3.4 GHz base and 4.5 GHz boost clock, and the same power consumption of 105 watts TDP. So here it is, and let's see what's inside. I guess nothing much, as the box is rather light. Yep. Plastic box and some leaflets and the CPU itself. On the outside it's your regular Ryzen CPU, so nothing much to see here, but what's in the inside that counts. Bye!